are pleased to show you the 2017 Nissan Sentra. With its spacious and versatile interior and stellar fuel efficiency, the Nissan Sentra is the obvious choice for anyone who wants to enjoy a stylish and comfortable ride. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated front seats. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
At the Matthews Hot Corner on the corner of the Vestal Pkwy and Sycamore, we've got over 500 pre-owned vehicles available, including 75 factory-certified Nissans with a great warranty, free maintenance, Carfax, and more, featuring a special low APR financing rate or extra rebates to well-qualified buyers. Learn more at the Hot Corner near the Town Square Mall.